Guys, it's Jenny, and I'm back, and I'm coming in with some free stuff. Yes, and a lot of it too. $30 worth of free merchandise, and you know you want to know. So go ahead, like the video on your way in, and share with your friends. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, let's stop everything. Let's hook you up. Look below and hit that red subscription button. And then that notification bell, make sure it says all. That way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. And to make sure that you don't miss any of that, everybody, pop by the channel once a day. Because sometimes YouTube runs late on the notifications. And by then, we might have missed something big. Because a lot of us did miss the Swiffer glitch. I was one of them. So, that glitch is gone. It's dead. The Swiffer digital glitch is dead. But, we got some new glitches, and we're going to utilize them to get some free Persil. So, hopefully you got some paper coupons. Hopefully, you went to Clip to Save and got those Persil coupons. Because this is a mixed deal. It is a digital and paper deal. And we're going to utilize a couple of these glitches to get the Persil down to pennies, guys. So what you're going to do is we're going to pick up the $10.95 Persil, the $5.95 Persil. And ideally, you have the $2 paper coupons. If you do not have two of those, we have a $1.50 digital and then one paper coupon. And if you don't have but the digital, you can still do this deal. Your out-of-pocket is going to be just a little bit more. Okay? So, still going to be a great deal. So you're going to pick up the 2 Persils. Then you're going to pick up 3 of the Crazee hair masks. Okay, visual math, guys. You're going to pick up 3 of those Crazee hair masks because we have a glitching $5 coupon for those. Then we're going to try the Caesars. I've gotten reports that Caesars dog food coupon is disappeared again. But if it's still on your account, just give it a try. And if not, you can replace it with something else. Now, in this transaction, of course, the overage is going to be $2 and I think $2.60, something like that. 65 cents is what the overage is. So this comes to $25.20. You've got $24 in coupons. Now, just so you know, you also have this $5 is working on the $8 multi-pack. So if you really need the dog food, go ahead and do that. It's going to give you a $3 out-of-pocket after that coupon comes off. So your out-of-pocket here would be $7 and some change if you had to do that because you actually do need the dog food. But this deal is geared towards the Persil. So, 2 of the Persils, 3 of the Crazee, 1 of the Caesars. And you're looking at $1.20 out of pocket for these 4 items. This is a Colonel Sanders deal, guys. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. This is an awesome deal. So, and like I said, even if you only have the digital coupon, you can still do that. And if you wanted to replace the $10.95 thing with the all, you have a $2 coupon for that. So you could do a small Persil and a big all and come out about the same. So just different ways to do the deal. Next is another Crazee deal. Well, another almost all glitch deal is what it is, guys. And of course, if we have multiple accounts, then you can do this more than once. And speaking of multiple accounts, I know a lot of you have been experiencing the same thing I've been experiencing, that it's telling you that it's a new device and they want you to sign in. They want to send you a code. Now, I've been having people ask me what to do. My advice is this. If you are still friends with or still talk to the person who originally has that account, like your daughter, your grandma, or whoever, just call them up and ask them if you can send the code and if they'll give it to you and sign in. Now, sometimes signing out of your account and signing back in and trying to do it will go ahead and let you sign in. But I've been getting these randomly on my phone. And even if I can't get on the account on my phone, I can access it on the website. So, there's some options there. So if you cannot access it on your app, go to the website and see if you can access those accounts there. Now, this one is going to use 3 of the Tresemme. This is also a mixed deal. And this goes back to when we started, guys, that paper coupons make for better deals because you can mix and match the digital and paper coupons and come out with a much better savings. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Olay Regenerous facial scrubs that we talked about in the previous video. And we're going to use that $12 off paper coupon also. Now we're going to do the Little Caesars dog food. And again, the same thing applies. In this case, you don't have to have the Little Caesars on here. It's only on here for overage. So, if you do not think that the Caesar deal is good, or if it doesn't work, just have them take the Caesars off. You're still good. You're going to pick up the Sparkle paper towels that are on the sale for $3.75. You got $1 digital that's applying. Then you're going to pick up 2 Febrezes for $6.70. You got a $3.30 coupon. Now, altogether, your coupons are like $31.30. And your total was $33.25. So that leaves you out of pocket of $1.95 for 9 items, guys. Now that's another Colonel Sanders deal, and all because we had some paper coupons. So those are 2 really good, almost free, or free enough for me, scenarios for you guys. Okay, and our last scenario, we're going to use that $5 off Caesar multi-pack. Just in case, okay? And we're also going to use the M&M glitch. So if you've not seen that one, go back and watch the video about the M&M glitch. Just go back and watch the last 4 videos and you'll be all caught up. But we're going to pick up 4 single-size packs of M&Ms. And you're going to use that $2 digital when you spend 10. And there's an offer and a sale that's coming together. And next we're going to pick up a large bottle of Palmolive for $6.25. Because we have an instant savings deal going on there. So it's a double dip. And a $4 Suavitel. We've got a $1 coupon on that. Now we also have a sale going on for 2-liter sodas. These ones right here. And there is Sunkist on this also, and the Sunkist is $1.75. I think some of these might be $2. But they're buy one, get one free. So we're going to go on the premise of the $1.75. We're going to pick up 4 of those sodas. And it's going to be $3.58. Now you're looking at $33.48. You got $19.50 in coupons, $14.98 out of pocket. But you got 16 items, and that's a winner chicken dinner, because that means everything is under $1. Yes, and we like it like that. So there you go, guys. Those are your 3 winning deals for tomorrow. And I'll see you again real soon, because I think I'm going to go check out the Tide coupons. And I'll let you know how that works out. Blessings.